Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to fix AirPods connection unsuccessful issue on iPhone in iOS 15. Solution number 1, Bluetooth turn off and turn it back on. First go to Settings app on your iPhone. Next click on Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. Then wait for few seconds, turn it back on. Solution number 2, Repair AirPods. Go to Settings app on your iPhone. Now click on Bluetooth. Try to connect your AirPods manually. Click on blue icon. Click on Forget this device. Again click on Forget device. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel.